welcome back to our channel. This is Timik TV. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome to this family. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to never get update each time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be doing a review on the soap called Bleaching Glutathione and Vitamin C and E Whitening Soap. This is a 5-time whitening soap. It is a strong whitening soap. It's also called Kojic Acid Plus Whitening Program. If you want to know more about this soap, please watch this video to the end. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share. Happy viewing. Bye.
Okay, viewers, so if you need a soap to lighten you up very well, especially for those who don't like shower gel, you prefer tablet soap, then this soap is what you should go for. It's called Neon Beauty Soap. It's a bleaching glutathione and vitamin C soap. It's also called Kojic Acid Plus Whitening Program. This is a very good whitening soap, especially for stubborn skin. It's 5 times whitening, good for anti-acne, deep cleansing, and revitalizing and smoothing. This is a very good soap. Why do I say that? I say that because of the active ingredient in the soap. Remember when we talked about cosmetics active, I told you some ingredient to look out for if you want certain products. You know, if you want acne product, you should know what ingredient to look out for there. If you want whitening product, spot and all of that, you should know what active ingredient to look out for before going for that product. If you want more of that, please check through our channel and watch the videos on our cosmetic active. Now, what are the active ingredients in this soap? We have here arbutin, glutathione, salicylic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, glycerin, allantoin, and essential oils. Now, what arbutin will do for you in this soap is that it's going to lighten you very well. Remember, arbutin is an excellent skin lightener used in place of hydroquinone. So, go for this soap if you want something to really whiten you up very well. Another active ingredient in this soap is glutathione. Remember, glutathione is a lightener. It helps to clear the body of free radicals that cause hyperpigmentation. It's also good when it comes to skin lightening. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxyic acid, BHA, and it's great for acne-prone skin. So I would say this soap basically is a multi-purpose soap. It helps to get rid of acne. It also take care of your whitening goal. If you want to lighten up very well, it does that for you, and also help to clear acne. If you have sunburn, it addresses that issue as well. This soap also has kojic acid in it. Kojic acid is a lightener, good for skin lightening, and it's used to enhance skin tone. Another good ingredient in this soap is niacinamide. Niacinamide is an antioxidant, okay? So it helps in soothing properties. It helps to soothing your skin and helps to improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation, aged and sun-damaged skin. Now you understand why I say this soap is a multi-purpose soap. It also has glycerin in it. Remember, glycerin is an humectant. It helps to attract moisture to the skin, so it's a good moisturizing agent. It also has good essential oils in it. Now I understand why this soap says it's a super bleaching soap and 5 times whitening. You can see all the good active ingredients it has in it, especially when it comes to skin lightening. So if you need something for your skin, a good soap, and it's affordable too. It sells for 500 naira, 600 naira, depending on the seller, you know. It says it's a bleaching glutathione, vitamin C and E soap, Kojic Acid Plus whitening program. Indeed, it's a whitening program. So all you have to do is wet your body, massage gently with the soap, allow it to lather well, leave it for a few minutes before you shower. That's the best way to use your whitening soap. You want to get the best out of your soap, allow it to sit on for a few minutes before you shower. Okay, this beauty bar soap is made from refined essential oils from the best selected plant. It effectively removes pigment spot, dark spots, acne blemishes, which helps lightening and balancing skin color. It also heals previous damaged skin cells. Okay, so if your skin has been damaged from previous products, you need something good to exfoliate it and rejuvenate the growth of your skin to make it look so bright, nice, and glowing. Then go for this soap. It's cheap, it's affordable, it's nice. You're gonna like it. Remember, if you're on your skin whitening journey, a good whitening soap needs a good whitening cream. A good whitening cream needs a good whitening soap. They go hand in hand, okay? Happy glowing. If you've used the soap before, please share your experience with us in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, share if you've not subscribed yet to our channel. What are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to enable you get updates each time we post a video.